go to your browser just like normally. Go to google.com because it's the best browser. Search for CurseForge and then download it. Make sure you download it on CurseForge.com and not any other website. Let's click on this website. Then download the standalone version, unless you want to make use of Overall's programs. They have a whole app store for multiple games. So if you want to install it and later check out anything Overall has to offer, then also download it with Overall. But we are going to download it standalone because this version is all about CurseForge. After you've downloaded it, when you click on download, it's going to pop up right above. If it doesn't, go to your three dots, go to downloads, and then you will see your downloads menu. Now we're going to open the file just like this. After this, click your language right here and now click on next. After this, accept that you're at least 18 years old. And of course, this is your installation folder. Now I'm going to click on next. Now I'm going to click on accept and install. And I'm just saying they should remove the 18 years limit. It is not logical because it also has World of Warcraft, of course, but we're downloading Minecraft mods and they're very good at it. So why make it limited to 18 years? That's weird. Look, they have World of Warcraft, Sims and Stardew Valley with our beautiful Minecraft. So I've removed my Minecraft, so now we're going to install it. Unless you want to use CurseForge for anything else. Now we're going to choose the standard location, click on continue, and now you can browse for mod packs, servers, anything you can pretty much imagine. They also have textures and everything like that. I'm going to make a simple pack on this version of Minecraft, click on Forge, and then I'm going to create it like this. Now what I can do, I can click on this add more content, and now I can choose for textures, mods, anything I want. So I can click on this, select anything you want. You can even do shaders. This is an amazing program and I hope you enjoy using it with Minecraft modding. I'm going to add this to our video ideas in-depth CurseForge Minecraft modding. So we don't forget how to mod your Minecraft in CurseForge.